We are Stuart and Rainey of the GloveTrotters, active senior travelers chasing adventure one trip at a time. Welcome, fellow travelers, to one of Hawaii's most magnificent and sacred places, the ʻīao Valley State Monument, located on the Valley Isle of Maui. This stunning park is a self-guided journey into a lush and emerald world sculptured by time and history. Beyond its breathtaking natural beauty, this valley is steeped in profound cultural and historical significance. It was once a secret burial ground for the highest-ranking Hawaiian chiefs, who believed their spiritual power, or mana, resided in their bones. It was here that one of the most pivotal battles in Hawaiian history was fought, a battle that would forever change the course of the islands. Please join the GloveTrotters as we explore the stories and natural wonders of this incredible island landmark. Our adventure starts right here in the parking lot. You might be welcomed by some of the park's local residents, the chickens, who are a common sight in Hawaii. As we make our way toward the trail, we notice many large wooden signs that share some of the fascinating history of this amazing park. This is a great spot to get oriented, including facilities, before we head deeper into the park. As you look around from the parking lot, it's hard not to be awestruck by the sheer scale of the mountains that surround you. The entire range is known as the West Maui Mountains, or Mauna Kahalawai. These are not two separate ranges, but rather a single ancient shield volcano that has been significantly shaped by millions of years of rainfall and natural erosion. The name Mauna Kahalawai fittingly translates to the holding house of water, a perfect description for a mountain that funnels a constant flow of water down into the streams and valleys below. At the foot of the mountains is the heart of ʻīao Valley itself. The stream you see here is the ʻīao Stream, which is part of the Nawaiʻeha, or the Four Waters of Maui, an important network of streams that have shaped this landscape. The valley walls, which are the opposing sides of this giant erosional scar, are so lush because of the constant rainfall that Mauna Kahalawai receives. This is also the site of the pivotal Battle of Kapanewai. The name Kapanewai translates to the damming of the waters, a haunting reference to the way the bodies of fallen warriors were said to have blocked the ʻīao Stream in 1790. The first major landmark on our journey is this concrete bridge. It provides a fantastic viewpoint of both the powerful ʻīao Stream flowing directly beneath us and the ʻīao Needle in the distance. The Kinihapai Stream that runs under the bridge is fed by other tributaries, and it eventually connects to the ʻīao Stream. This is also the gateway to the Ethnobotanical Loop, which we'll explore in a few minutes. From the bridge, you walk upwards along the lookout trail. At the top of the trail is the observation shelter. This spot provides the very best viewpoint of the ʻīao Needle. The most recognizable part of the park is the iconic ʻīao Needle, or as the Hawaiians call it, kukaemoku. Geologically, it is a magnificent lava remnant that was left behind as millions of years of rainfall and erosion carved out the valley. It rises dramatically 1,200 feet from the valley floor and 2,200 feet above sea level. This landmark is not just a geological wonder, it is a symbol of Maui and a constant reminder of the island's powerful volcanic and historical forces. From the observation shelter, we walk back down the ʻīao Needle lookout trail. There are approximately 133 steps to the trail that combines flat concrete platforms with more traditional rock steps. The trail is short and provides a few fantastic viewpoints along the way, each offering a unique perspective of the ʻīao Stream framed by the rising valley walls on either side of the sprawling valley serving as its base. As you proceed down, there is an unmarked Streamside Trail, an unpaved path that extends below the main lookout trail. It's an amazing multisensory experience down here. You're right on the bank of the ʻīao Stream, and you can hear the rush of the whitewater as it carves its way through the valley. There are a number of other small tributaries that feed the stream, and you'll notice a beautiful, large red rock sitting in the middle of the stream, a natural feature that gets its unique color from oxidized iron. The path is lined with exotic features like the red ginger plant and the Norfolk Island pine. There are spur trails that contain all kinds of interesting discoveries. This trail is also home to some of the valley's unique features, including a hollowed-out screaming tree and rocks large enough to stand on for the perfect photo opportunity for the entire family. When you're finished exploring, you simply double back to the lookout trail and back to the bridge. After crossing back over the bridge, there is a descending path on your right that takes you to the Ethnobotanical Loop. This garden is a beautiful testament to the history and significance of the canoe plants that were brought to Hawaii by the first Polynesian settlers. You can see plants like the tea plant, known as ki in Hawaiian, which had hundreds of uses from cooking to spiritual rituals. This garden is also a great place to spot some exotic visitors, like this vibrant gold dust-day gecko that loves to sit on the unique stilt-like roots of the hala tree. If you look carefully, you might even spot a Hawaiian garden spider. The fenced edge of the gardens provide great views of the ʻīao stream and the West Maui Mountains. The ʻīao Valley State Monument is a powerful reminder of the magnificence of nature. The windblown trees, the immense mountains, and the sound of the stream remind you of the ongoing dynamic forces that have shaped this land for millions of years. It's a place where families can play and explore, and it truly is a magnificent destination to visit with your loved ones. We hope you'll come and experience the beauty and history of this sacred place for yourself. Thanks for joining us on this wonderful adventure on the beautiful Hawaiian island of Maui. We're the GloveTrotters, and we hope you enjoyed exploring ʻīao Valley State Monument with us. For more travel guides and inspiration, visit us at theglovetrotters.com. And if you love this video, please make sure to subscribe and explore with us. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure.